everyone. Welcome to my channel Biology All-in-One. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and ring the bell icon which is just besides of that. Thank you. Today we are discussing 9th class SSC first unit cell, its structure and functions. In that unit, we have already discussed few topics. That topics are already uploaded. You just have a look at that videos and come here again. See, today we are going to know about the Golgi complex. This Golgi complex was first observed by the scientist Camillo Golgi. As he observed for the first time on his name, he observed in the year 1897 and they proposed a name to this Golgi complex in the year 1898. He observed in his compound microscope. But we can clearly observe only in the electron microscope. The perfect structure was observed only in the electron microscope. Okay, now let us see what is the function of the Golgi complex. Here, I have already drawn the diagram of the endoplasmic reticulum. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. RER. RER known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. We have already discussed in our earlier classes. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two types. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here I have drawn only the rough endoplasmic reticulum, but the function is even the function takes place in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum also. You have a look here. Golgi complex was discovered by the scientist Camillo Golgi in the year 1897, but in the year 1898 they gave name to this Golgi complex as Golgi apparatus also. But here, this Golgi complex is also present in plant cell, but the name is different. And all the eukaryotic cells, these Golgi complex is present in the plant cell. We call these cell organelles as dictyosomes. Dictyosomes. In the plant cell we call it as dictyosomes. In the animal cell we call as Golgi complex. Here, if you observe why I have drawn the rough endoplasmic reticulum and what is the interlink between the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth Golgi complex. Here, if you observe, these round-like structures are known as vesicles. This having cisternae are present here. Then what is the interlink between the RER as well as the Golgi complex? You have a look. See here, this endoplasmic reticulum which is having the ribosomes on its surface are known as RER. Here, what is the function of the ribosomes? The ribosomes can synthesize the protein. Protein synthesizing is happening here. What will happen? The protein is releasing into the endoplasmic reticulum. Right? If you observe the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this endoplasmic reticulum is totally very near to the nucleus. Here smooth endoplasmic reticulum releases the lipids. Whatever releasing here, it is releasing the proteins and it is releasing the lipids. Both are move towards the endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi complex. Whatever releasing from the endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum releases lipids and rough endoplasmic reticulum releases proteins. The proteins as well as lipids will move towards Golgi complex in the form of vesicles. In the form of vesicles, the particles are moving. Here what are moving? Protein is moving as well as lipids are moving. Then what is the function of this? Here already proteins and lipids are packed once. The packed substance are moving in the form of vesicles to the Golgi complex. Here in the Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, the vesicles that whatever got moved, they may packed once again. They may packed once again and it will transport if it is necessary for the cell organelles. Cell organelles, it will transport to the cell organelles which are inside the cell. If it is not necessary, it even push outside of the cell. Understand? And here, by the lipids as well as the protein synthesis, there is a formation of lysosomes also. Lysosomes. You know, lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags of the cell. Why these are known as suicidal bags of the cell? Because these are containing destructive enzymes in it. 60 different destructive enzymes contained by the lysosomes. Then what is the function of the lysosomes? As it is containing the destructive material, it can be destructed. Means it can be destruct the components which are unnecessary to the cell. You have already known that. But here that happened just due to the presence of the Golgi complex only. Here, this Golgi complex, what is the function of the Golgi complex? It is containing the vesicle, cistern and all. Here, packing of the substance is happening once again. Whatever the packed components are there, if it is necessary inside the cell, it will transport inside the cell organelles. To the cell organelles, where it will reach, there it will transport. If it is not necessary to the cell organelles, it will even push out of the cell and it will create or form the lysosomes also, which contain 60 different destructive enzymes. As it is containing the destructive enzymes as well as the protein bonds and the lipid bonds are present, see, these are destructing the membrane, which is in the form of vesicles only. See, this can destruct the unwanted materials. We can observe these lysosomes in the eukaryotic animal cell. Okay, see, these things are happening. Once again, I will tell you here, endoplasmic reticulum is having smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here, we have already discussed that rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the proteins and smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the lipids. That whatever transported to the endoplasmic reticulum, that endoplasmic reticulum form it as a vesicles and push towards the Golgi complex. This Golgi complex was discovered by the scientist Camillo Golgi in the year 1870, in the year 1897, and the name was given in the year 1898. See here, this Camillo Golgi observation we are discussing here. Here, whatever the components got released which are in the form of vesicles will push towards the Golgi complex. There the Golgi complex will pack the substance once again. Whatever the necessary components are there, it will pass towards the cell organelles where it needs, or else it will push towards the cell membrane. Means if it is needs to move out of the cell, it can push towards the cell membrane also. And because of these two components only, there is a formation of the lysosomes. Lysosomes are nothing but suicidal bags of the cell. Even in the plant cell, Golgi complex is present. We call that Golgi complex in the name of dictyosomes. Thank you. We discussed about the Golgi complex here. In the further classes, we will discuss different kinds of the organelles which are present in the animal cell as well as the plant cell. Thank you.